Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radhadevi Dasi with a nutritious winter special recipe. Today we will make adadya or urad dal barfi, which is a traditional recipe. This urad dal barfi keeps us warm and healthy throughout the year when eaten during winters. This is a perfect recipe and extremely nutritious for this season. In winters, adadya is a must in many houses in India. So let's get started. Here I have taken 1 cup of urad dal. If you have urad dal flour, you can use it. Now transfer it into a mixing jar. And grind it. It has been ground well. On a bowl, place a sieve and sieve it. Since we are grinding it at home, we will get coarsely ground powder and we need like that only. The remaining ones again grind it. Sieve it again. And now eliminate the remaining. Freshly ground urad dal flour is ready. Further, I have taken 1/4 cup of edible gum or gond. Edible gum is a warming food and helps generate heat in the body. Thus, it's usually eaten in the cold weather of winter months. It is a lubricant for joints as well. Let's transfer it into a mixie jar and grind it. This is also ready. Now let's start making adadya. Now heat a vessel and add 250 gram of pure ghee. It has melted. Now add the urad dal flour to this and roast this urad dal flour by continuously stirring until the color changes to golden brown. You can see the mixture has mixed well. Now you will feel this is excess of ghee, but later all of it will get absorbed. Stir constantly or else it will darken from one side only. Here I have taken 1/4 cup walnuts, 1/4 cup almonds and 1/4 cup cashew nuts. You can add some other dry fruits too and alter their quantities as well. Again transfer it into the same mixie jar and grind it. The dry fruits have been crushed as well. Let's move to this. You can observe the color is changing gradually. Now add 5 tablespoons of wheat flour and mix it well. After 5 minutes, wheat flour too gets roasted along with the urad dal flour. We need a more dark color, so stir continuously. Meanwhile, I have taken khova here. This is instant and I have shared its recipe link too. It needs just 5 minutes to prepare. Next, I have taken 1 cup of grated dry coconut. Do not use designated coconut. Further, take 1.5 tablespoon of ginger powder or sunt and 1.5 tablespoon of ganthoda and this is available easily. I have given the link for buying it below. It took us 20 to 25 minutes for the flour to darken, and this is enough. Now add the ground edible gum. You can see now it is enlarging. Keep mixing and let it roast well for 2 to 3 minutes. There is no need to roast it separately and then add. As it is powdered, it roasts well here only. So it's done. Next add the khova and mix it very well. The khova gives a soft and creamy texture to our urad dal barfi. Mix it thoroughly until it gets well combined and there are no lumps. This also prevents the raw flavor of khova. Here you can see everything has roasted well and have become puffy. Next add the ground dry fruits, grated coconut, ganthoda powder, ginger powder and 1 teaspoon cardamom powder for flavor. Combine it very well. Eating this urad dal barfi prevents us from getting any back pain or joints pain throughout the year. Now you can see the ghee is no more floating and is all absorbed. Let's turn off the flame and prepare the jaggery syrup for this. Heat a pan into which add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Ghee has melted. Add 1 plus 1/4 cup of jaggery and mix it well until it melts. Actually, ganthola guards the mobility of the body. Ginger powder and ganthola protects us from cold and cough, which is a folk remedy, whereas coconut nourishes the skin and prevents it from drying. The jaggery has melted. We will let this cook for a minute. There is no need of any string in this. Jaggery is comparatively healthier than sugar. So in winter we must prefer jaggery only. So it's done. Now turn off the flame. Next add the entire jaggery syrup into the mixture. Now mix all this well. You might have observed that we used all the healthy ingredients only. I have given the link of all the key ingredients in the description box from which you can buy it. The jaggery has incorporated well. Now transfer it into a plate. With the help of spatula, spread the mixture evenly. Using a bowl, flatten and level it. Add some almonds and pistachios on top. Again flatten it using a bowl. And now we will keep it aside for 2 hours to cool. It has been 2 hours and our adadya or urad dal barfi has cooled. Now we will cut it into the pieces. You can store it for a month without refrigerating. Let me show you one. Perfect. Its texture is amazing and it is equally soft and crunchy. Our urad dal barfi is ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Jagannath. Our adadya pak are offered and ready for this winter. Do try it and let me know how it came. If you like bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga recipe. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.